What does green dot on your Snapchat mean? Hi everyone, this is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch Snapchat app on your device. Now head towards profile at top left corner of the screen. Choose gear icon at top right corner. And now you have to locate the option of activity indicator and make sure to toggle the button on. Now head towards the chat section of Snapchat. Now simply tap on the person like icon at top right with the plus icon. Here you will see green dots on your profile. So what does it mean? The green dot is an activity indicator. It shows that the user has been active on Snapchat recently. This feature is enabled by default but can be turned off in privacy settings if users prefer not to display their activity status. And that's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.